Hey everyone! Today, we're going to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. The formula we're working with looks like this: y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. We're going to look at two types of problems. Both are super straightforward once you know what to look for. Let's go. Problem type 1. Given m and b directly. Write the equation of a line where m equals 3 and b equals -5. In our first type, we're handed both pieces of information directly, the slope m and the y-intercept b. All we have to do is plug them straight into the formula. Y equals mx plus b. Now we substitute y equals 3, x plus -5, which simplifies to y equals 3, x minus 5. That's it. We replaced m with 3 and b with -5. Notice that plus -5 becomes -5. The equation of our line is y equals 3, x minus 5. Simple, right? When m and b are given directly, just plug and write. Problem type 2. Given m and a point, 0b. Write the equation of a line where m equals -2 and the line passes through the point, 0, 4. Now in the second type, instead of being told b directly, we're given a point, specifically a point that looks like 0, something. Here's the key insight. When a point has an x-coordinate of 0, that point is sitting right on the y-axis. And a point on the y-axis, that's your y-intercept. So the y-coordinate of that point, the second number, is your b value. Our point is 0, 4. So b equals 4. Now we have everything we need. Let's plug in y equals mx plus by equals -2x plus 4. The equation of our line is y equals -2x plus 4. The trick was recognizing that the point, 0, 4, told us b equals 4, because x equals 0 means we're on the y-axis. Quick recap. Both problem types use the exact same formula, y equals mx plus b. The only difference is how you find b. If b is handed to you, use it directly. If you get a point starting with 0, that second number is b, and that's all there is to it. Slope-intercept form is one of the most useful tools in algebra, and now you've got both versions locked in. Practice a few on your own, and you'll be writing these equations in seconds. You've got this.